We ought to just let the next one run. Does she even really need an introduction at this point? Carbondale, Illinois is where the cowgirl calls home, although seeing her Facebook post, I don't think she's ever there.
No, not at all.
WRS Kool Memories has given this cowgirl a lot of cool memories to take home just in the last year, much less. So go to Elaina McKinney. Made it to the junior NFR. Trying to make it with the big dogs.
The silent giant. Here he comes.
Turn it loose, Elaina. Come on. This duo is unstoppable. Nice tight turns. Come on, Elaina. Come on. Yeah. Looky, looky, looky. How about 14-3-7-0? I told you, the silent giant strikes again, and a new leader.
You know, if you watch that horse run, it's like you ought to hear his footsteps go across there.